Hey folks, did you know that Bambu Lab regularly holds contests on their Makerworld website? Right now, they've got a contest going on for Easter, and they've got others as well, but I decided to participate by creating this bunny toss toy. This bunny toss toy has a spring-loaded arm for being able to throw jelly beans, gummy carrots, mini eggs, but I thought it was interesting that some of the prizes are really good. They'll give you gift cards so that you're able to buy hardware, filament, etc., which is really interesting and appealing. I have to give hats off to KevBot Dot because he's the one who inspired me to participate in this competition, and it's super fun. So the thing is, I designed up the body of the bunny, I designed up the arm, separate piece. I also designed up my first ever 3D printed toroidal spring, and it was surprisingly easy, and I will share with you the individual who taught me how to do that in Fusion 360. Pretty cool. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I encourage you to participate in the competition.